Good morning, grade 7. We'll be doing set 6 today. Now this is your first question, and the question says that write the names of pair of congruent line segments. So before we do this question, let us understand what do you mean by congruent segment. Now see children, if this is segment A, B and this is segment C, D. If length of this segment is 2 cm and this is also 2 cm, we say segment AB is congruent to segment CD. That means when the lengths of two segments are exactly equal, those two segments are congruent. They are going to fit on each other exactly like this because their lengths are same. And the congruent sign is denoted by this sign. Okay, so this is the sign of congruence. Okay, so now come back to the question again. It says, write the names of pairs of congruent line segments. So in short, we have to check the length of each segment over here. Alright, so segment has two endpoints, but they have asked us to use the divider. See students, this is divider. Okay, this is called as divider. Now this is to be used to check the lengths. For example, see now, I am keeping it over here. Okay, so this is the length of segment MG. So let me check which segment is it. This is a little bigger. So this two can't be same. They are not having same length. Let me check it over here. Oh yes, see. So MG is exactly equal to GR. See, G and R. Let me check this with this also. No, it is little bit. This is little bit bigger. GC is bigger. GD is very small. Let me check NG. N and G. See, this is also exactly same. So we have three segments which are exactly having same length. It is this segment and this segment. Okay, I am showing by same notation. It indicates these three segments are having same lengths. In short, these three segments are equal. Alright, so we can write many pairs like this. First we will write, they have asked us to write 4 pairs. So first I am writing segment MG is congruent to segment GR. This is first. Second we got NG. Segment NG is congruent to segment NG is also equal to GR, or we can write MG, both. Okay, in first we have written this two are equal. Now we have written NG is equal to, sorry, I have written twice. NG is equal to MG. And we can write third pair also, that is NG is equal to GR as well. So as many pairs as we can write, segment NG is also congruent to segment GR. Okay. Now let's check other segments as well. Now this is, while looking only you can say GD is very small compared to others. Let us take a check GB and GC. This is remaining. Oh, one more is there. GE is also there. So let us check it again. This is exactly equal, no? This is a little bigger now, beta. From here, yeah, okay. Let me extend it. Okay, so this is GM. Let us check EG, E to G. I'll show you in this way. See, this is also exactly same. Can you see? Even GE is equal to MG. So we got one more pair we can write. See, this is also equal. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 pairs we have equal. Alright. So another pair which we got is segment GE. Now see, GE we can write equal to GR also, GN also, GM also. Anything you can write. Okay. So segment GE, which we found it just now, is also congruent to segment. This is, we can write any one name from this three. I am writing GR. Okay. So all these 4 segments are equal. Now let us check remaining 3 are there. One is GB, GC and GD. GD looking itself you can say it is very small, so it won't be equal. Let us check this two, GC and GB. Okay. I'm just extending this. Yeah, so this is GC. Let me check if it is matching with GB. Oh yes, see, it is exactly matching. So we got another pair of congruent segment. This is equal to this. So we can write GB segment is exactly equal or congruent to GC. That is fifth. Segment GC is congruent to segment GC is congruent to segment GB. Okay. So I think 4 pairs are asked, but we can write 5 also. I hope the concept is clear. Shall we go for the second question now? Okay, let's move on to second question. Okay, this is your second question. Now see, they have given this line and Q, P, Z, Y, X, W, A, B, C are the points given. Now they said that distance between each point is 1 unit. That means distance between Q to P is 1, P to Y, Z is 1. So all these points are equidistant. That is, distance between these 2 points is 1 unit. Now we have to decide segment AB is congruent to which segment. Now see, AB, that means what is the distance between A and B? It is 1 unit, isn't it? So you can write any answer or any segment whose length is 1 unit. It can be segment QP, it can be segment YZ. So this can have many answers as much as possible looking at this diagram, because the distance should be of 1 unit. Distance is 1 unit between B and C also. So I can write here AB is congruent to segment BC. I can also write WA, I can also write WX, I can write ZY, ZP. Many options are possible. Okay. Now segment AP, just count A and P. How many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So let me start from here and count 5 units. If I start from Q, I should be going 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can be QW. Okay. Or if I start from Z, then 5 units go towards your right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it can be ZB. So like this you can write many options as you can. Okay. The distance between 2 points should be 5 units. Now AC. Just see AC. How many units are there? 2 units. So see where 2 units are there. I can write Y to Z is 1 and Z to P is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So it can be YP also. It can be PY also. Like this you count any. I hope you have understood what I am trying to tell you. So there are many answers possible for this question. So AC, arbitrarily I can write AX also. 1 and 2. Okay. So segment AX. You can write many answers. Okay. Segment dash is congruent to segment BY. B to Y. Now count the units. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we want 4 units. Let's start from P. 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be PW. Okay. You can start from anywhere and count 4 units. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So PW. Segment PW. Now which segment is congruent to segment YQ? Y to Q. How many units are there? 1, 2 and 3 units. So I can take from Y this side also 1, 2 and 3. It can be YA, segment YA. This is not the only answer. There are many answers. It can be W to C also. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Segment BW is congruent to which segment? BW. 1 and 2. So only 2 units. So it can be 1 and 2. WY also. If I start from Z, it can be 1, 2, ZQ also. You can write anything. BW is congruent to segment QZ also. You can write segment QZ. So these are not the only answers. You can write any answers provided, many possibilities of answers are there, provided length of units between this points or this segment and this segment, length should be same. You can take any points. Alright. So that's all students. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.